Oh my god, she looks dusty. Still got the styrofoam, okay. It's 10 freaking dollars, I'm getting it. I'm not sure if it has all the pieces because the instructions only come on a VHS tape. Oh, look, 1990. She's 31 years old and she looks beautiful. I'm not sure if this is gonna work now. So this piece goes here, right? In this little picture, like that's definitely a little circle attachment for spaghetti or something. And I don't see any attachments. So right now the pasta is just gonna just come out of there with no shape. So I first gotta find out if she'll even turn on. And then I gotta figure out how to watch a VHS tape in 2021. And then I gotta figure out how to make a pasta shape for this pasta. But I don't have plans today, so I'm not mad at it. I have an idea. Shower drain spaghetti. Welcome home, my little Pasta Express 2000. Good news is it does turn on. The bad news is that I turned it on with this in it, so this broke. It's basically like a custom measuring cup for all the ingredients for the perfect recipe, and I broke it. But we persist. I'm not proud of it, but I did the best I could do. You gotta give it a good soak and scrub, because you don't know whose house it's been in. I found the instructions on YouTube.
You're no more than a few minutes away from enjoying the pasta experience of a lifetime.
Got her all clean. You can duct tape anything, I tell you that much. This isn't gonna work though, but I don't think it's necessary, so I'm not gonna worry about it. And almost 3 hours later, we begin. She's holding it together by the grace of God. So we're doing 2 cups of flour, a little bit of salt, 4 eggs, and a little bit of olive oil. I just saw a piece of shell, but I can't find it. Please don't fall apart. Please don't fall apart. This is not looking good. I had to walk away. The loud noise was giving me anxiety. Mine doesn't look like that. This does not look nice, but we're gonna see. Now we're gonna switch the lever. It stopped working. And it won't go. I untaped it all, but it was just because the lid was popping off, so I gotta hold the lid down. Let's try again. It's not working, it's just not strong enough, so it's pushing through, you see? I just bent it, so hopefully this works. I don't know where to begin. It's just not looking great right now. That's why they got rid of this shit, because it won't close. Totally unfair. I'm so close. I'm dripping sweat trying to figure this out, and I cannot figure it out. I'm just gonna hold the edges as hard as I can and see if it works. I am on the verge of tears. Do not ask a question about this. I'm doing everything in my ability to make spaghetti. Oh, God. I just want to apologize to all Italians. No need to twirl these noodles. It tastes like clay. It tastes like goddamn clay.